Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of TikTok and you will click here. After that, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.